I am making a frosted lemon cookie. Got my lemon cake mix, my softened butter, then my shortening, and my egg. Now we're gonna take our cookie batter, of course, because I am frugal. I am reusing my parchment paper here. Okay, we're gonna throw these in the oven. Now you can make homemade frosting. Just use our buttercream frosting recipe in our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 and add some lemon extract or my little lemon packets that I love. I'm just gonna use some regular lemon frosting. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks so delicious. Oh, yum.
Ooh, that's really good.
Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
I think I like lemon.
You think you like lemon?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.